Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up the real app, IPTV Smarters Pro in your Apple TV. Okay, so first of all, you go to the App Store and here you will search IPTV Smarters. Okay? IPTV Smarters. And here you will just scroll down and you will find this app, Smarters Player Lite. Okay, so you click on it and you click to install. Just verify with these pictures, okay? You click install, then you click open, and here is the smartest player. Okay, so you choose extreme code and you accept the policy. And here you need a subscription. So I can give you my provider. You will find the website in description or in the video to purchase a subscription and to start watching IPTV. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and to share.